In today's manufacturing environment, every movement matters. Advanced RFID solutions give you the visibility and real-time data you need to keep track of assets and inventory with minimum worries. It all starts on the facility floor. With RFID, your assets have a digital voice. Tags and labels follow items wherever they go. Fixed readers track movement in real time. Handheld readers empower workers to overcome the unexpected. Now, there's no need to waste time searching for people or assets. You'll know where they are when you need them. Less wasted time, fewer wasted assets. With a comprehensive end-to-end solution that delivers real-time insights, everything works as one. You get greater visibility and true interoperability, all in a system that scales alongside you. Run a smarter, leaner facility with RFID solutions from Zebra.
Visit datascan.com.au to learn more.